Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what's needed: a sequence with your primary clip and a clean audio track. Import your file and drag it into a timeline so Premiere recognizes the sequence settings. Once the clip is placed, open the text panel and choose Transcribe Sequence. Set language, audio track targeting, and accuracy level. Higher accuracy may take longer. By starting transcription directly on the timeline, you avoid extra exporting steps and get timestamps linked to. Begin the transcription and watch progress in the text panel. This may take minutes depending on length. Once complete, review the transcript. Click any word to jump to that spot in the timeline and correct misheard terms so captions and search work properly. Use speaker labels to separate voices, then refine punctuation and timing. If you need captions, create them from this transcript. Make sure to choose the caption format and max characters per line for accurate on-screen readability. To finish, generate captions or export a sidecar file. Open Export Settings, enable captions, and pick a format like SRT or burn them into video if required. Once exported, verify timing and formatting on your target platform. If transcription quality is poor, reduce background noise, use a cleaner audio track, or rerun transcription with enhanced accuracy. You can also manually correct the transcript before export. That single troubleshooting tip, cleaner audio equals better results, solves most recurring errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.